So we're back at the airport. You got to do the Casey Neistat thing, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we just thought I'd let you know we're at Manchester Airport, and then we've got to fly to Heathrow Airport, and then we're getting on a double-decker.
Here's Airbus A380.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going upstairs.
Oh yes.
First time ever to go upstairs on a plane. Mm-hmm. And from there we're going to
San Francisco.
Yay! And we'll catch up with you in, well, in
What
this
hours?
timeline, like nothing, but in our timeline, yeah, 24 hours. So we've got 15 hours of flying.
13 hours and 49 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's a long time, but yeah, hopefully the double-decker plane will be very nice going upstairs.
Yes.
And nothing like special, no business class.
Still
or
cheap
anything.
seats.
Yeah, still the cheap
Yeah.
seats. We just got in there early enough. I'm always like a shark. I'm like an eBay shark, but with flights as well. So I'm always like straight in there, and then just see what nice seats you can get. And on this time it said, would you like to go upstairs or downstairs? And that's just the silliest question, isn't it?
Yeah.
Always upstairs. So yeah, a bit of B-roll, and we'll see you in San Francisco.
Yep.
See you later.
Girl, I got seduced right from the start. So dance with me. I must admit that I don't have a plan just to be your man. Ain't gonna lie, you will get the best of me, get the very best of me. Doesn't matter what they say, I won't let it go away. Thinking about you night and day.
So we made it, San Francisco, baby. So we are sitting on the dock, the bay,
Watching the tide roll away.
I forgot my microphone, so sorry if it's a bit kind of like windy or whatever, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Epic 11-hour flight.
Yes.
Yeah, eating chicken tikka masala, flying over. So we're just near the Fort Mason Centre now. We moved a little bit because it's a bit windy down on the bay bit, near the Golden Gate Bridge, as Mandy corrected me. It's not the Bay Bridge, it's the Golden Gate Bridge.
Yeah, there was a seal in the water though. Yeah.
So yeah, it was a long flight, really long flight over, but nice on the double-decker plane.
Yeah.
Very nice and comfy. And managed to get to the hotel last night. Got our car, drove on the wrong side of the road and the wrong side of the car, which is a bit different.
Yeah, well, I was very tired.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it was fun.
Yeah, it was fun. Got it sorted. Managed to get enough sleep that we woke up at a reasonable time. It was about 5.
3:30 at first.
Well, yeah, 3:30 and then about half
and then
5.
About 5. And then we did the local diner down the road opened
Yeah.
up at 6, so that was like woohoo.
Yeah,
Jet lag breakfast.
Yeah, jet lag breakfast, and then we thought we'd take a bit of a walk, have a look round. So we're off to Fisherman's Wharf and Pier. What is it, Pier?
I want to say 39, 33.
Something like that, one of the famous
Pier
piers.
with the seals
With
on.
the seals on.
Just tired.
Yeah, so we're off there. So we'll catch up with you in a bit.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.
going with
See, I just realised, got back to the hotel and we didn't actually finish off what we were saying before. It got really windy when we were in the park and that. So yeah, this is a 2-week, we're calling a USA mega trip. So yeah, the trip starts in San Francisco, which is where we are now for a few days. And then we're going over to Yosemite, then Vegas, then Grand Canyon, loads of bits in between. And then back over through Laughlin and going past the airplane graveyard kind of place and SpaceX spaceport, and then over to LA, and then back up the Pacific Coast Highway, and then back home. So yeah, pretty good. Probably not going to do daily vlogs, but put them into, you know, like a group of days or whatever. So probably just do one vlog that's like San Francisco, and then another one might be Yosemite and stuff like that. But yeah, so far San Francisco, really like it. Very, very, very interesting architecture, walking around and everything like that. Easy to get around, felt safe. On a brand new car that they've rented us for 2 weeks that we've prepaid for, they wanted to charge us $10 a day roadside recovery, so that if their car broke down, we had to pay £120 for them to come and fix it. So yeah, they always get you for crap like that, don't they? But that's the most obscure one I've ever heard. So so that's pretty much it. So we're back out again for some more sightseeing tomorrow in San Fran. Oh, those hills. But there, I don't know what the gradient is, but they've got to be like the steepest blinking gradient ever. You're going up a hill like that and the houses are like that, and oh, that was difficult. Calves are killing us today. And do more sightseeing tomorrow. Okie dokie then. Bye. off to quite an interesting little place tomorrow called Yosemite.
Yogi Bear.
Yeah, Yogi Bear, Mandy says. If you've not forgotten about Mandy, she's just got out of the shower, so you can't see her right now. But you can hear her. But yeah, I was trying to get the last bit of the light, because I don't know if you can see it behind me, last bit of the light, sunset. Like I say, back in the room because of the wind blowing everything around. Doesn't really make it easier to vlog outside. And I wasn't going to try and do it for the car, but maybe we will, because we'll be on the road a little bit more tomorrow. So we shall catch up with you on the next vlog. And like I say, our next vlog is going to be Yosemite, and then Yosemite to Vegas. So it should be pretty interesting. And yeah, catch up with you. Take care now. Bye.
Bye.